Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show you how to start IIS server on your machine. So first of all, uh, right click on your computer and open your manage settings. Click on manage. Then you see here last is the option is the services and applications. Open this application, open this and click on internet information server, means IIS Manager. Okay, this is your IIS Manager, this is your application pools, and this is your sites of your. Okay, so I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming AK, and then click on bell icon for another updates. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.